control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
All right. Bam. Happy freaking Monday, bro. Happy Monday. Holy. Chat, how we doing? Good morning. It is a beautiful, 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 absolutely beautiful day. Holy. You know what I mean, chat? You know what I mean? It's just a beautiful day. I walked outside, hopped in the beautiful truck, and went and got me a beautiful coffee. Got the bald head, freshly beautiful, shined up, looking good. You know what I mean? Hang on, chat, give me a second. Hang on, chat, give me a second. All right. Trader 007, how you doing? What's up? Good morning. Miss K's in the building. What's up, Miss K? Miss K, Mama Bear. Good morning. Especially YOLO Joey. Holy. Uh-oh. New nickname on the rise. YOLO Joey. Holy. I kind of like it. And honestly, it kind of has a ring to it, chat. I don't know. Does it kind of have a ring to it, YOLO Joey? YOLO Joey. I kind of like it, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, do we brand that, chat? What do we do? I don't know. We might have to brand that one. Chat, we got a lot of accounts to trade, bro. We gotta decide on what accounts we're gonna trade. You know what I mean? Because like, obviously I have my personal account pulled up, which speaking of, chat, I need to actually, hang on. Hold on. Let me just switch screens real quick. How do I do this? Let's see. I realize I don't have privacy mode turned on, so you guys are gonna see my account number and shit. So hold on. I'm pretty sure I've already showed my account number once before, but I probably shouldn't do that. So I'm gonna just turn off account number and log out. There we go. All right, bet. G-Man's in the building. What's up, G-Man? How you doing? Dexter. What's good, bro? What's good? What's good? What's good? Anyways, chat, like I was saying, we have a lot of accounts to trade. I mean, we have a personal account. We have Tradify accounts. We have BDH tournament account. Chat, what do we do? Obviously, my main focus, chat, I'm not gonna lie, is gonna be my personal account just because I want to grow that. And then off on the side, if we see anything worthy of YOLOing, we might just put on some serious size on the BDH tournament account. Chat, people, I realized, and thank God, I wasn't the only one YOLOing last night, chat. I really wasn't. Oh yeah, and the PURDIA, yeah, we have another funded account that we forgot about that we've had for over a year. Kind of crazy. Chat, somebody made 12K. Like the leaderboard came out for the traders last night, and someone made 12K. There was like 8K. Like I wasn't the only one YOLO in chat. I really wasn't. So I feel a little bit better about it, bro. I feel a little bit better about YOLOing because I'm not the only one. People are actually YOLOing this shit. So you know what? We're doing it. I don't even care, bro. I don't even care. Divya Urban. Divya Rubin. Divya Rubin. I don't know how to say your name. I butchered the shit out of that. Good evening from India. Good evening. Well, good morning from #America. Kay said it, folks. You heard it here first. Good morning. Smash that like button if you haven't. Chat, if you haven't hit the like button, bro. Can we start the week off on a good note, chat? What do you think? Can we start off on a good note? Go ahead and hit the like button, get it out the way early. You know what I mean? Let's just go ahead and just get it out the way. That way we don't gotta mess with it no more. You know what I mean? Also, chat, I played with the lighting like on me. I feel like I'm less shiny, chat. I feel like the color grading, the shininess isn't as much, right? I feel pretty good about the lighting. Although my light, you see how it's flickering, chat? My light's going out. Watch it. Hold on. Watch it. Oh, no, you're not gonna do it. Look at the blue. Oh, there it goes. Yep, there it went. And look at the chat. Look at the blue one behind me. You see? Look at the top of it. You see it flickering at the top? Chat. My lights are going out in the background. I ordered more, and they're coming in today. All right. So we're just gonna have to deal with that for now. All right. We'll have to deal with that for now. But I feel pretty good about the lighting, chat. I really do. It's like not as bright. Feels pretty good. Okay, listen. It's Monday, right? We just started, right? We just got here. We just started the stream. And you're already starting in on me. All right, no, just relax. Carrie, I trained my duck the whole week. Holy, the duck. Already preparing for the duck races. Holy. We're already preparing for the duck races. My goodness. Also, chat, I went to, you know, last night my stream got shut down because I accidentally played a copyrighted song. Didn't mean to. So my stream got shut down last night. And now I have a whole playlist in YouTube creator music. Last night I spent time finding songs. So now I have music straight from YouTube, like actual YouTube creator list that's I can play. I got full rights to, so we shouldn't get shut down for music again. So what is my tournament account at now? We're down like 300 or so. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, bro. As soon as I see an opportunity or a setup that I would take in my personal account, we're throwing on mega size on the tournament account. We're doing it. I don't even care. Everybody else is YOLO in chat. The only way we have a shot is if we full size this thing, because everybody else is doing it. We have to full size these accounts and just run it. You know what I mean? That's what everybody else is doing. Yeah, I reset it the first time after I blew it. Before we get started today, chat, let's go ahead and take a look at the news. I don't think we have anything today. Yeah, we don't have any news today. None. Zip. Absolutely nothing, chat. No news on Monday. You love it. We got about 9 minutes till market open. 8.5 minutes, rather. Redneck Trades in the building. What's up, Redneck? How you doing, bro? How you doing? 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 Chat. Holy, I went to sleep so early last night, chat. Listen. I went to bed so early last night. I was in bed by like 8:30. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. I shut down stream last night and I immediately went to bed. Like I just was like, fuck it. I'm going to bed. I'm tired. So I went to bed and fell asleep, I think, by like 9 o'clock, bro. By like 9 o'clock. Chat, I'm wired. I am like ready to bounce off the fucking walls right now. I feel like I could sprint through a wall. Like I could go through it. That's how good of sleep I got last night, chat. Jim K, you're so fucking banned. I'm not even mad at that. K, you're banned. Holy fuck. Golly. Well, Redneck says, good. Ready for a great week. Well, it was gonna be a great week till Miss K entered the chat. Copper. Golly. Wireless press conference at 1 EST. Yonix. What up? Do you and Miss K know each other in real life? No. We don't. She wishes she knew me in real life. She ain't that cool. She ain't that cool. Boy, Nasdaq really freaking just rallied, huh? Oops. Look at this rally on the overnight, chat. Nasdaq really just was like, F it, let's go to the moon. Chat, real talk, hey, listen. Have any of you guys taken NAD+? Don't know what that is? It's kind of like a peptide. Don't know what NAD+ is. Has anybody taken it? I hear there's a ton of benefits to taking NAD. Like an absolute ton. I'm thinking about taking it. Ms. Adventure said I take it every day. Every day. Okay. Ms., how you like it? What's it do? Do you feel just locked in every day? How locked in do you feel? Curious. You can totally tell when you forget. Well, mine, I get NAD this week. Mine comes in this week, so I'm like, I feel like it's gonna be needed, especially like as a trader. You know what I mean? Like, feel like I'm just gonna be able to lock the fuck in and focus. You know what I mean? Just really get locked in. I feel like it's gonna be good. But I hear there's like a lot of other benefits too, like brain fog, like what you mentioned, what you said, Ms. Venture, focus, energy, anti-aging. Like I feel like it has a lot of different stuff. I got it from a local place here, Venture. It's there's a company here that specializes in like, it's kind of like a wellness center, almost like they do like hormone therapy and then also like peptides and like liquid IVs that you can go in and do things like that. But I'm getting NAD from them, so I'm curious to see how it works. NAD plus and magnesium have made a world of difference for me. Nice. Nice. Will it grow my hair back? It's anti-aging, right? Will it grow my hair back? I need to go to Turkey for that. Nasdaq catching a little bit of a ripper here. I'll be honest. I don't know if I'll ever go to Turkey to do a hair transplant. I might just keep the bald look forever. You know what I mean? Might just rock the bald look forever, chat. I don't know. All right, we got 45 seconds, so market open. Chat, good luck. If you haven't already, hit that like button for your boy, bro. Right before market open, hit that like button. Let's have a good trading day, bro. Let's have a good trading day. Also, I feel like YouTube music has better music than like anywhere else I played music on stream before, so I'm kind of digging this vibe. Kind of digging it, chat, and kind of digging it. All right, G. You better BRB. Sellers trying to come through on the Nasdaq right off the open here. Right off the open. See what kind of flush we get here out the gates. I mean, I'm kind of leaning to the bullish side today, just given the really just huge rally that we've had overnight. So I'm leaning a little bit more on the bullish side today, but we're in tricky territory, chat. Tricky territory. Going to, let's see. I mean, yeah, we're all-time highs, bro. The high of this candle is 25,241. So 241 is all-time highs. Right there. If we were lucky, we could finally make an all-time high. I know it's been forever since we made an all-time high. All right, sellers continuing to push us down here. Seeing some selling pressure start to come in a little bit. We'll see if it sustains, chat. Learner, how you doing? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Learner. We might be coming down to VWAP, chat. Holy. If sellers want to keep this momentum, getting a little sketchy. VWAP sitting at 138. $138. Can the Nasdaq go down and test VWAP here? Or are we going to catch a little bit of a bounce, chat? Are we going to catch a little bit of a bounce? Trying to hold these 160s here. We're up in the 180s right now. Now I was trying to catch a little bit of a bid. Got down to about 156. We'll see if buyers can sustain this or if sellers are going to step back up here and send us back down. I'm thinking VWAP, chat. That's what I'm looking for. I want to see what happens at VWAP. Do we get to VWAP, chat? So far, sellers still picking up here. What up, Bo? Yeah, I did. Yes, I did. Unfortunately. But it's okay. After seeing the leaderboard last night, I definitely wasn't the only one YOLOing. The person in first place from the last time I saw leaderboard made $12,000 in it. So I wasn't the only one. There's been like, I think someone in 7th place was like at 8,000. So there's tons of people with just a shit ton of profit in those accounts now. Nasdaq trying to catch a little bit here. Where do you find the leaderboard? It might be on their website. I don't know. Let's see. I just saw it shared on Twitter. Is it on their website? Maybe not. I don't know. Yeah, I don't see it on their website, so I don't know. I just saw it shared on Twitter. Oh, it is on their site? Where is it at on the site? Why don't I see it? Is it like on just the... tournament? Let's see. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it now. First place is at 12,000, second place 11,000, third place 11,000, fourth place 9,500. So dude, yeah, I mean, people are sizing the fuck up on this thing. Run it, holy. It's crazy, bro. Crazy. All right, sellers are gonna set back up here. Maybe we go down and test VWAP at this point. VWAP looking a little likely here, chat. Question is, are we gonna sink through VWAP, or are we gonna bounce here? Might catch a little bit of a bounce here, chat. Hold it. I really wanted to see us go through VWAP first before catching a bounce. They're making about 1,000 an hour. Yeah, they are. All right, making another run for VWAP here. Might make another run for VWAP. Honestly, like 126 looks like a great area, chat. 126 looks like a great area here. For us to potentially catch a bounce. So we get down there, we'll see what happens. Buyers really trying to defend these 150s. I feel like, I don't know, VWAP is almost feels inevitable at this point. This buyers kind of failed to run us back up here. Yeah, there it goes. Right through VWAP. See what happens at these 120s here. Got down to 130. Oh, Coley, there's a name I ain't seen in a minute. What about? What up, Oakski? Boy, sellers are actually really trying to push here. Really trying to push here. Can they continue to push us down though? Or are buyers now going to send us back above VWAP? Oh, sure, you can DM it to me if you want. Send it all the way back up. All the way back up. Let's go rip new all-time highs right here. Go rip new all-time highs. Sold 88, took 735. Nice. Buyers really trying to step in here. We'll see if they can hold. They got to keep us above VWAP here. Boy, they're trying. Holy. Holy, they are trying to run chat. Can we go to, what is it, 190s? Honestly, I feel like if we go up there at that point, it would be like just... What time frame's my chart on? 1 minute. I mean, we go to 190s, I feel like we just go to the highs. Yellow long on tournament account? Maybe. I may or may not be, chat. Just so you know. I may or may not be. I'm just not gonna do it live. You know what I mean? Am I doing orb now? No, I don't really trade orb. No more live YOLO? Not live, no. No. I'm not gonna show my crazy positions on the tournament account, chat, not live, just because I don't want to catch that heat. So I'm gonna do it kind of on the side, and I'll show you guys like afterwards. But like y'all will see me trade my personal account live. I will trade my personal account live in front of you guys. But the tournament account, the way I'm trading it, I'm not gonna show that live. Hopefully you guys understand that. It clearly doesn't work. I think it can work. So you're saying it's full degen the tourney account? It's not full degen. It's taking setups that I would normally take, just on sides that I don't really want to. I'm not going to show live. You know what I mean? It does, and the numbers aren't good, at least for ES. I think the reason I like chat, like I'll show you guys like here. I'll show you trades that I do take. Like I took in this tournament account here, I just took a long here and rode it up. Got 5 out there and got another 5 out at pretty much the same area. We're up about 4,000 on the tournament account today. So I'm sure you guys can understand that I'm not gonna show that kind of trading live, because I don't want to, like, that's not how I trade, and I don't want to promote that. But just know that we are trading the tournament account. We'll see what we can get on the personal account, though. If we get a good setup that we really want to take on the personal account, we'll take it. We'll see what the market gives us. Buyer's trying to step back in here. See if buyers can hold this. Hold VWAP. So far, kind of struggling at it at the moment. We want to get a strong push back above 160s. Back above the 160s. Just absolutely struggling here at VWAP. Chat, somebody go push the market up. I may or may not be long in the tournament account again. I'm in profit, but I may or may not be long in the tournament account again. All right, we're trying to push back below VWAP here. All right, so we're still just hanging out at VWAP, chat. We'll see if buyers can turn us around here and get us back above the 160s. I think if we get back above there, chat, I think we have a lot of room to run. But buyers gotta get us going back above VWAP here. There's a big seller holding us down right now. Big seller holding us down right now. VWAP's at 144. We got to get back above VWAP, push into those 160s. Think we'll be all right. Think we'll be all right, chat. Okay, back in the 150s. Let's go run those 160s. Need to go run the 160s. Volume kind of just fell off a cliff right here. Volume really just falling off here. Okay, there we are. Now we're picking up. Sellers coming through. I'm gonna go ahead and chat. I'm taking off the long for pretty much a scratch on that trade on the tournament account. All right, Mr. Bond. Appreciate you coming through, bro. Appreciate you coming through. Oh, buyers actually starting to pick back up again. Interesting. Interesting move for buyers to pick back up again here. Back above the 160 shot, I think we fly. It's just like, can we get above there or not? Trying to get above those 160s, man. If we can do it, I really feel like we can shoot to the 170s, 173s. Man, they just cannot get above there. Session Flow, what up? How you doing? All right, see if we can shoot these 160s. Man, we popped the 160s. We got the 161, but then sold off straight from it. 160s kind of line in the sand here. Oop, there we go. Nice little pop. Let's go to the 180s. Get to the 180s here. Here we go. Nice move on the Nas there. Getting above those 170s. Chat, we're up 5,000 on tournament account. I'm gonna keep updating you guys, but I'm not gonna show the trades on this, but I'll update you. We're up 5,000. We're building a big buffer to really start sizing up a lot, chat. Here, just to show you for the tournament account. Oh wait, wrong one. There you go. There you see the tournament account. We're up about 5,000 on it. Is there a max number of contracts on tournament account? I think it's was it 10? Ten contracts max on tournament, yeah. Kind of just waiting on to see what the Nas does here. Now, I don't really want to size into or size up in a little bit of consolidation here at VWAP. So we're gonna wait for the Nasdaq to really try to make a move, and then we'll get in, chat. Nah, it's continuing to get a push higher here. Have I seen the Dow? No, is it getting smoked? Let's see. Oh, buddy, the Dow is getting absolutely smoked. What the chat? What happened? Golly. Chat, what happened to the Dow, bro? Which one of y'all sold off the Dow? Dow getting absolutely just obliterated. That's crazy. I mean, actually, that's pretty crazy. What's gold doing? Hold on. Gold caught a nice little rally. Seeing some sellers setting up here though. Not much, yeah. It's kind of just consolidating up here. Seeing a little bit of sellers come through. Ran this high up here and then just absolutely got smoked off of it. Absolutely got smoked off of it. But man, this Dow. I wonder why the Dow is getting smoked the way it is. Like, what happened? I mean, 500, 550 does not really, it seems pretty likely. I mean, it's not that far off for 550s on the Dow. That's pretty wild, to be honest, for the Dow to get smoked like that. Why has the ES and the Nasdaq been so just opposite lately? It's like the Nasdaq and the ES are just like, it's opposite day. Let's do the complete opposite of one another, chat. I mean, look at it, bro. Look at the NAS. This is the 1 minute on the NAS. This is the 1 minute on the ES. Wait, can y'all see that? Yeah. Y'all can see the difference. NAS, ES. Look at the difference. They're complete opposites of each other. Complete opposites. You got gold catching a little bit of a buy up off that sell there. Dow still just absolutely getting smoked. Nasdaq not doing shit. Let's take a look at gold again. Gold's trying to get a little bit of a move here. Nursing a few TradFi evals back off of live support is such a painful process. I'm gonna be honest, I don't have the mental capital to do it. It's like if my evals are cooked, like we're gonna get it back into the few trades, or we're gonna reset them. For evals, I don't have the mental capital. And now if they're funded accounts, a little bit different. Like we're gonna trade them all the way back. But evals, I just really don't have the mental capital to do it, bro. I really don't. Chat, if you're just tuning in, be sure to hit that like button. Let's get the likes up on the stream. We're up 5,000 on the tourney account, chat. Holy. 5,000. And we're not stopping. We're going pedal to the metal, baby. Pedal to the metal. It's a determination thing at this point. You refuse to lose. Yeah, I feel that. I really do. Wow, look at the buy up back on gold. Gold buying right back up, bro. Nasdaq seeing a little bit more seller starting to come through the pipe here. Still just kind of just hovering VWAP, man. Like we're humping VWAP right now, just going nowhere. But can sellers bring us back down and go run these low of days? I mean, it looks like we could. It looks like it's a possibility. Unless we just buy right back above VWAP and catch a bid again. Rejecting VWAP one more time there. And there's the bid. There's the bid. Right back above VWAP. All right, we'll give that a moment to just kind of chill and do his thing. ES catching a bid too. Wow, look at ES. ES catching a bid. Gold back up at those highs. Dow catching a bid. Everything catching a bid right now. The whole market catching a bid. Interesting. The entire market is trying to catch a bid. I'm gonna add YM to my tournament account too. We might. Look at the possibility of trading it. YM's kind of trying to catch a bid. Nasdaq and ES. Nasdaq still just kind of consolidating, going sideways here. Nothing really happening on Nas. ES catching a nice bid. Straight from 766. We're up at 774 now on the ES. Nice bid on the ES there. I have ES pulled up as well. We're looking at all markets, chat. For this tournament account, we're looking at all markets. We have to find opportunity, chat. If we're going to have any chance of competing, we have to find opportunity in all markets. Yeah, still catching a nice bid here. If we're gonna, if market's gonna get bullish here on these levels, I want to try to find a good entry on a pullback. Nasdaq, what's Nasdaq doing? I mean, Nasdaq's doing nothing, chat. We're kind of Xing out Nasdaq at the moment. Gold is still trying to reject those highs up there. Nice, trader. Gold's still kind of rejecting those highs, making a little bit of a push though. We'll keep an eye on gold. That's a potential short. ES bid still looking good. Dow is getting a little bit more sellers trying to come through again. We'll see what we can get here, chat. ES still catching the bid. I'm not opposed to getting, I mean, even though the Dow is a falling knife, chat, if we can catch some sort of engulfing buying here to show a little bit of signs of a recovery, which we kind of have right here. If we catch a little bit of a pullback down, I'm not opposed to attempting a smaller position long on the tournament account. I'm not opposed to it. I mean, Dow is a falling knife, so I got to be a little careful when doing it. But looking at the whole market, if the whole market wants to catch a bid, I'm not opposed to doing it. Gold still flirting with those highs. Nasdaq doing nothing, bro. Look at Nasdaq. I mean, what the fuck? The whole market's trying to move and Nasdaq's not doing anything. Dow is trying to find a little bit of buyers. Gold still struggling at those highs. Chat, how you guys doing today, bro? What's the P&Ls on the day? Have y'all taken trades? What's else P&L? Seeing gold reject these highs again. Nice rejection on gold. Flacco, no trades. Carry, no trades. I feel like I'm throwing trades everywhere. Trying to find an opportunity in any market that I can. Gold's catching a bid here. Trying to go back up to the highs again. We'll see if it holds or if we continue to reject it. Potential short on gold, chat. Potential short on gold here for me. If we're going to reject these highs. I need to see it get a better rejection because right now we're not really rejecting it. Watching it closely. Yeah, gold is kind of flirting with these highs right now. I want the short. But I don't think I'm going to get it. A lot of my guys out of profits on gold at Globex Open. Nice, Sean. Shine Chicago King. Nice, nice, nice. All right, is gold gonna sell from here, or are we gonna catch the bid and go back to the highs? Sellers trying to step in here. Had a great gold trade last night. Nice, G. I wish I was long on that random spike that we had. That'd have been nice. That'd have been massive. Gold's trying to get these sellers come in here. Would love a strong push down right now. Is NQ moving again? We'll take a look in a minute. I'm watching this gold trade. I did end up taking the short on gold. We're in profit. So we're going to just try to see if we can ride this thing. See if we can ride this thing, chat. Because we can get some strong sellers. I think we can get a big move to the downside. It looks good to have some good down movement here. Yeah, Nasdaq doesn't really have much going on. It's kind of just humping VWAP, consolidating sideways. Let's see. What's it doing? Yeah, I mean, it's still there, doing nothing. Doing absolutely nothing. I need gold to start really getting these sellers come through. Like, let's just send it. And so far, it's not giving it to me. It tried right here. We need this continuation, chat. I really want to see this come down to the 65s. 65s would be massive. I don't want to see buyers try to catch a bid here. What up, education? Giving the shorts an opportunity on gold, but we really need to see this move. Sellers trying to make another run here. get through these 68s, we come down to 65s potentially. What up, Trader? Poncho, US 30 moved great, nice. Yeah, the sellers are just struggling, bro. Come on, sellers. Move us. Move us. As I said, we are short on gold. We're just trying to ride this thing down here. We're in profit. Trying to get a strong move below like 68s. I would love to see 65s come into play. We can get that. It'd be massive. Absolutely massive. We did pop those 68s a little bit, just a little. Just want a little bit more move to the downside on gold, and I'll be happy on this trade. Just a little bit more move. We don't want to see buyers bid us back up here, which they're doing. It's unfortunate. It's an unfortunate bid. We wanted 3 more points on gold. We'll see. We'll give it just a small opportunity here to come back down, but not looking great. A little bit of a bid there on gold, chat. Yeah, we're gonna take it out for a tiny loss there on gold. So now we're up 54,400. I mean, sorry, no, we're not 54. We're up 4,400, chat. 4,400. Boy, Nasdaq is still just hanging out at VWAP, huh? See that you're a big Tradify fan, never traded with them, wasn't a test with Take Profit, curious a comparison. Comparison. Tradify is definitely bigger than Take Profit. I'd have to go back and look at Take Profit. I haven't traded with Take Profit in a long time, so I don't really know how to compare them because I don't really remember what Take Profit, like what they have or what they do. So I'd have to go back and look. But the reason why I like Tradify is just because I know they've never denied a payout. They never asked anything from anybody. I know Take Profit has. I have had some buddies who trade with Take Profit and they've asked for some verification of trades and proof and stuff like that, which they don't do it to the extent of Apex does, but I have seen that happen on Take Profit. The reason why I like Tradify is because they've never done that. They've never asked for anything like that. They never denied payouts. They pay out within minutes, right? Whereas Take Profit doesn't. Like you get your payout almost instantly. I do know that for a fact. But as far as rules, I have to go back and look at the rules on Take Profit. But you do get a lot quicker payouts for Tradify for sure. Generally in minutes. Curious who the leaderboard is. Have they updated it yet? No, they haven't. Still no update on the leaderboard. Gold still just kind of flirting with these highs up here. Like, is it going to come down or what? Dow is catching, still catching a little bit of a bid here. Really nice bid. Nice recovery on Dow there. ES coming up to VWAP. Nasdaq still just chat. What is Nasdaq doing? Like, what is this? Nasdaq coming down off VWAP here. Considering re-entering on a gold position. On the tournament account, chat. Look, okay, Nasdaq getting a little bit of sellers come through. I wouldn't mind re-shorting gold. But I want to see a little bit more rejection here. Nasdaq catching some sellers coming through. What just happened, chat? Chat, are we back? I just lost power. Are we good? Is the stream still live, chat? I just lost power. Are we still live? Yeah? Okay, good. That was really weird. I lost power there for like a split second. Okay, good. Scared me for a minute. I was like, not again, bro. I don't want my stream to end again. Holy. My whole house just flickered. All right, Nasdaq's still trying to catch a little bit of sellers here. It's interesting. Are we actually going to move somewhere on Nasdaq? Gold actually just now making some new highs. Wild. Gold is really trying to rip here. Gold making some new highs. It's going to hit 4,000 a day? Might. It actually might. Gold's been on an absolute just ripper, chat. It's actually pretty insane. Pretty insane. You know what's crazy, chat? I was trading gold last night on the tournament account, and I actually had a dream about gold. Like, I had a dream that I had physical gold, not just trading gold, that I had physical gold that I could like weigh and sell. It was weird. I don't know what was going on, chat. I think I was haunted by trading gold last night. I really was haunted by it. Man, gold is just absolutely flying high. Flying high. Somebody, they just updated the leaderboard chat. Somebody's already made $37,000 in the account. 37,000. Chat, we just gotta go, bro. $37,000. That's crazy. Who are these monsters? Dude, they're slinging size, bro. It's what do you do? I mean, that's all. That's what I gotta do now. It's just a sling size. Sling size, bro. I mean, they're trading max contracts guaranteed, chat. Every trade. Every single trade, they are trading max contracts guaranteed. $37 bans is wild on day one. Like, how do you even make 37,000 on day one? How is that even a thing? They must be trading like multiple. Well, I don't know. I don't know. Is there Chilean DD? It's end of day. End of day drawdown. Nasdaq catching some more sellers, trying to push down to the lows. Like, how do you even... That's crazy. Like, chat, that's actually insane. How do you even trade against it? You know what I mean? Cheers, Ness. What up? Doing well, doing well. Nice bid on the NQ here. Does it continue? Do we get back above VWAP and fly high, chat? Or do we just sell off? Patrick is 44th or 41st place. Nice. I'm just gonna start slinging size, chat. I mean, at this point, why not? Someone's up $37,000, bro. You just gotta sling size. You gotta just full lot every trade. Full lot, absolutely everything. Ooh, seller's picking right back up here. Nice little rejection off VWAP. Nice rejection off VWAP here. Are the sellers going to continue? I mean, at this point, with as much size as people are trading, someone's probably going to pull 6 figures on the account. Guaranteed. Somebody's going to pull 6 figures on the account, chat. Now it's trying to go down and make these lows. Lows looking likely. Shorted in queue at 158. Nice. It's a good short. Real good. And we're pushing back down. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Interesting buyers after pushing those lows. Are the lows going to continue, or are we actually going to catch a bid off those lows, chat? I don't know. It's interesting. Do we long this? I think we long it, chat. On the tournament account. See if we can get a move back to VWAP. Get a move back to VWAP, get above it, and fly, baby, fly. But we gotta get back above VWAP. Or we gonna be in trouble. Shorted MNQ all the way up. Scalps? Wait. Shorted all the way up? Shorted all the way up. I'm confused by that. Like you shorted the whole way up and took scalps on pullbacks or what? Okay, I gotcha. I see. I see. Nice. GG's. All right, let's get a move back above VWAP here. Sheesh. Nasdaq struggling here. Gold is pumping. Yeah, I saw gold was catching a nice bid. Let's see. Yeah. Gold is eyeing that 4,000 mark, man. 4,000 on gold. Nasdaq struggling at VWAP again. Just can't get the move up there. Seller starting to try to pick back up on Nasdaq again. There's 3 people that have made $30,000 on a tournament account. Trying to make another run at VWAP. Nasdaq can pop VWAP, chat. We might run this thing all the way back. And I'm in for it, bro. I'm in for it. If one of them disappeared tomorrow, he'd blow it 100%. 100%. Hey, no doubt about it. No doubt about it. Nasdaq catching a really nice bid. We are long, chat. On Nasdaq and the tournament account. Just would love to see this thing go back to the 190s. Be huge. The thing is, when you've made that much money in those accounts and there's other people competing with you at that level at like $30,000, then they're all going to be just oversized to try to widen the gap between the person that's close to them. So it'll be interesting for sure. Nasdaq getting some serious sellers coming right back below VWAP. Holy. Wow. Wowzers. Come on, Naz, push it for us. Push it. Get back above VWAP and push it. Come on, Nazi. We need you. We need you, Naz. We're still in profit on this long here. Need buyers to turn us here. Get above VWAP. Get some buying volume. We'll be all right. We'll be all right. If this thing could fly to 190s, bro, wow. That would be huge. But yeah, here we are still struggling at VWAP chat. Jesus. Nasdaq, you're killing me. You're actually killing me, Naz. And sellers bringing us right back down. Nice, redneck. Love that. Love it. I mean, look at Naz, but look at how long we've just kind of been hovering VWAP chat. It's kind of crazy. I mean, we've just been hovering VWAP. I saw Brad was up 11K on it. At peak, I was at, I'm 6,000 up on it. But we took a couple L's, so we're seeing if we can get back up here. Is gold still catching a bid? Yep. A little bit. Like I'm watching paint dry on NQ right now. Absolutely watching paint dry. There's gonna be a lot of people celebrating gold hitting 4,000, chat. If gold hits 4,000, bro, there's gonna be a lot of happy traders longing up to 4,000. Nasdaq pulling back again. Trying to get back above VWAP here on Nas. I just really wish it would fly at this point. Like, just send me to the 190s. That'd be great. I feel like people literally traded their tournament account all night last night with max size to be up 30K. I feel like that's the only way you could do that. To make 30K that quick. I feel like they literally traded it all night though at max size. I feel like that's the only way that's possible. Any giveaway today? Not today. No giveaways today. But there will be some this week. I won't say when, but there will be some giveaways this week. How's my TV just turn on? What the hell, chat? How long has my TV been on? All right, Nasdaq. Fly high, baby. Take me to 190s, please. Don't do none of that. 190s. Come on. Gold catching some sellers. Gold pulling back off those highs, bro. Really pulling back off those highs. Nasdaq right back to VWAP, dude. That's crazy. I feel like I'm going balder watching Nasdaq chat. Not gonna lie. I feel myself getting balder watching this. Still hovering VWAP at 145. I really want to hold this long, but I'm losing patience with it. Losing patience, chat. Okay, let's take a look at gold again. Nice little sell-off on gold. All right. Buyers trying again on Nas. Watching this here. 156s. Holding this long on a tournament account. All right, getting back to the 160s. We saw struggle at 160s before, so we really got to get out of these 160s. We really need to get up to the 190s. Really got to get to the 190s. Okay, some strong buying here. So what we want. Looking good. Got to 169s. Again, these 160s have presented problems early on, so we have to be careful here, but not bad. This thing coming back to VWAP, I'm no longer interested in it. I will take it off. So we just want to make sure that buyers have a steady flow coming in to move us to those 190s. Really trying to speak 190s into existence, chat. I really am. Okay, this buyer's still trying here. We got to get out of these 160s. I'm not a fan of these 160s either, just given the fact that we've constantly had issues here. Here we go again. Got to 170s. 160s once again. Giving us some issues. Need buyers to establish some dominance here, chat. Real talk. Really, I'm really trying to hold on to this long. I am really trying to fight this. I have a huge urge to take it off. But I feel like if we can just get out of these 160s and hold, I feel like we could go, so we could see 190s. I'm trying to fight the urge to take the trade off, but I mean, I really am losing patience with it. We're long from 137. Why is everybody asking for giveaways today, bro? Holy fuck. We're doing giveaways this week, chat. I won't say when, but not today. All right. Come on, Nas. All right, we're just gonna take it off. We're gonna take it off. We caught a nice trade from 137. I don't like these 160s, and I'm not gonna sit in it. So we're back. We're up. Back up on the account. Equity's looking good. Gold is really just selling here, chat. I mean, absolutely selling. They are hurting. I get it. I mean, people want free accounts. Like I understand it. But sheesh. Cold world. It really is. It is a cold world. Gold is gold is really trying to catch a bid again, chat. Gold is trying to catch a bid. Chat, give me like 2 minutes. I will be right back. All right. Maybe should only do giveaways for your subscribers and loaf. And no, I'll do giveaways for everybody. Everybody deserves a giveaway. You just get people coming asking for it. All right. Let's see. Nasdaq still, yeah, okay. I'm glad I exited my trade. 100%. Dow's looking pretty decent for a short here as well. Just given how weak Dow's been, I don't mind the short on Dow here. Rejecting off VWAP. Sellers bringing us back down. Today seems like a holiday. Nasdaq is moving like one for sure. All right, let's see if Dow can get some more sellers come through. Gold is buying right back up. Jack, gold really wants that 4,000. At 4,000 on gold, man, it really wants it. Seeing if Dow YM here can catch some sellers coming off this level. I mean, it's been very bearish. We got the VWAP, so let's see if we can catch some selling pressure to come back in. So far, not so much, but give it an opportunity. YM trading back at 950s. See if sellers can come back in here. That is a pretty big buy up on the Dow here. I mean, that went from 680 all the way back up to 968. Pretty large buy. I'm going to attempt to give this short some time on Dow here. I have a pretty tight stop on it. I'm not going to let it go back too much against me. I want to try to attempt to see if we can catch some sellers on the Dow again. Let's take a look at gold. Gold still catching more sellers here, rejecting those highs again. That's interesting. Nasdaq still doing nothing there in 160s. I knew that was dead as soon as we hit the 160s. Dow is getting some more selling pressure to come in here. Or more buying pressure, rather, sorry. More buying pressure coming in on the Dow. Might take that one off, actually. Gold. It's kind of just consolidating. Trey's by Judas said it, bro. If you haven't hit the like button, what are you even doing? We should get more likes on the stream than we have. Holy. What are you even doing? Gold getting a little more sellers coming through here. Watching to see if we get that continuation on gold here. So far, looking decent. Nice. Nice push on gold here. See if we get continuation down. Get that continuation down here. We are short on gold. We're sitting in profit. But don't want this to buy back up. We're gonna be at a break even on the stock because we are sized pretty heavy here. So it'll take me out for break even if we catch a little bit more of a bid. Might get out break even here, chat. Need the sellers to step back up. Can they step back up here, chat? Need to go run back down. Wafa, hello. Need to run it back down. Give you something to like? What you want? I'm over here fighting this tournament account right now, chat. I'm not gonna lie. I'm fighting it. We're up 5,200 on it. But I don't know if I'm gonna get the move I want on gold. Gold is still just kind of hovering these lows here. Needed to go pop. Nasdaq's trying to catch a bid again. Getting out of these 160s, that'd be nice. Nasdaq's been stuck in these 160s. I haven't taken any trades in the personal account. I've been focused on this tournament account, chat. Been focused on the tournament account. But at the way that people are running with it, we are far behind. Far behind. We're up 5,000. People are up 37 bands. Got liquidity sitting at on the Nasdaq at 180s. So Nasdaq could go up and see that 180 to go run that liquidity. I can tell you what though, this tournament account's been a big distraction. Trying to just size up and trade it and get on the leaderboard. It's been a big distraction, bro. Nasdaq getting some more sellers coming through. Those 160s, dude, I'm telling you. Those 160s are just insane. They really are. Who is attorney through? Patrick Whelan's holding it. It's under the Legends prop firm. Bro, these 160s on the Nasdaq are actually wild. I mean, we have had trouble here all day. Like actually all day. At this point, as many times as we failed to push up on the NAS, like I would rather just see it just go into the ground at this point. Like, just get us away from the 160s and VWAP. That's all I care about on the NAS. 160s and VWAP. If we can get away from that, chat, that'd be so glorious. YM starting to catch more sellers. YM's looking pretty good for a short, chat. I'm over here just stuck in the Nasdaq right now. Stuck in the sideways chop on Nasdaq. YM really getting the selling pressure. $180 on the Nas, last 71 contracts up there. Well, chat, we might just let this trade on the Nasdaq on the tournament account just kind of play out. Think about switching to YM, honestly. I might switch my position to YM, chat, I'm not gonna lie. Just to get out of the Nas. I think we're gonna do that. And then, chat, I need to go eat, bro. I've got to go eat breakfast. Gotta go eat. We will be live again. I'm gonna let this trade play out. I'm gonna go eat breakfast and hang out with my boy for a little bit and then come back. We'll be live again later on today. So I think that's what we gonna do, bro. And we're gonna focus on the personal account this afternoon if we get good PA. I kind of got distracted with the tournament account today. But after seeing the scoreboard, I really don't care to put too much more focus into it because we are behind. I mean, we're up 5 grand on the account, which is good, but there's people up 30 bands, so we're pretty far behind. So I think I'm gonna go eat, hang out with the boy, and then come back and try to take some trades, do some real trading on the personal account if we get some good PA. So chat, I will see you guys later on. Peace.